Good morning, guys. We're in the kitchen.
Morning.
Making quesadillas.
Morning.
Eggs. Some ham. Basically the same thing as yesterday, but just more quesadillas. Got Cam over here cutting apples.
How do you cut an apple?
Alright, what do we got here?
Stack of quesadillas. Just cutting through all that cheese. Gotta grab these children. Hi, Edwin. Hey, Nikki.
Hello.
Breakfast is ready.
Oh, such a wonderful treat.
You're welcome, Nikki.
We got here on our tab too. I was thinking about that. That was so nice. Will we ever know? Always be a mystery. What do you say?
This quiet whisper was so. Outfit of the morning, by the way, is this little crop top thing, these shorts, no shoes, and just, you know, the normal hair that I wear every single day of my life.
Since we no place to go.
As long as you love me so.
I love your voice.
You gotta finish it, man.
Let it snow.
Let it snow. Let it snow. Snow. All right, so outfit of the day. We have this thing with stains on it. This. Oh, hello. Sorry. Same shorts that I'm wearing, same ripped up shoes, but they're great. They're rainbows. I just say they're distressed. Like I tell people I bought them like this and they're like so ratchet. But it's fine. Okay, yeah. Thanks for watching. Want me to do yours? Oh, sure. Right. So here's Annika.
Of the day.
So you can see there's
pink one-piece strappy bikini. And
she's looking very bougie per usual. Wow, I love vlogging. This is fun. I'm not used to doing this. Okay, here you go.
All right, let's go.
Thank you so much.
So we're going to Lovers Beach really soon. Edwin, the guy who works here, who went clubbing with us last night, is gonna take us all. So that should be really fun. We Googled pictures of it and the water looks amazing. So I'm really excited for that.
Edwin's the man.
Edwin is the man.
So I've thrown on a skirt for the ride there. And yeah, I think we're all ready to go. So let's go.
I think I'm gonna wear that to the beach today.
Really? Yeah. What a mood.
So there's clouds in the sky.
So you want to be a cloud?
I want to be a cloud. One time I was on the airplane and this lady sitting next to me was like super scared. It was her first time flying. And she was like, look at the clouds. They're so scary. Look at the, are you scared of the clouds? And I was like, what?
I might have scared of the clouds.
Super weird.
Do you know what happened to me once?
What?
I was on a plane and we flew over a rainbow. It was so
way.
pretty. Yeah.
No pot of gold though.
No pot of gold.
Saddest part.
Girl,
Wait.
what a Brad.
There are so many Brads and Chads lurking all over this place. It's a Brad and Chad playground, okay? Let me tell you.
So we're actually taking a water taxi to Lovers Beach. That'll be fun.
This beach is so private. Cam was like, no one's gonna be able to judge us for taking our girl photo.
And we're like with Edwin, right?
Yeah.
And he is about to witness something he's never gonna be able to unsee.
Because he just doesn't know. He doesn't know how ham we go.
Slightly extra, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Just slightly. Yes.
Time to be a topic.
Ooh.
Hurts how much I love you guys. Aww.
Is that your feet?
Oh shit. Sorry.
You're good.
Should I put my arms like on my side more? They're kind of just on top of my thighs. Like some behind my neck. Where are you?
Oh yeah, just need like a pillow.
Yeah, give me a pillow. Give me a Tempur-Pedic.
Should we make him like enormous breasts?
Oh,
Yes.
I said like side by side with Joey and me.
Double D.
I don't remember that. Was it Joey got buried? Like season 2 or 3. It's kind of early. That's when they have to pee on. Wait, who did they pee on again?
Monica.
Oh yeah. Pee on me.
When your bladder's not strong.
Are these double D's at least?
Yeah. Under boob. Like a little curve.
How comfortable plastic surgery should be, huh?
Nice little belly button. Oh fuck! That scared the shit out of me.
Oh my god.
Dude, I uncovered your toe and I was like, what the fuck is that? It's on the Audi and
Everybody, oh shoot! Act natural. Act natural.
Heather?
Did you know that to tan your inner thighs, you can just go like this? It's also a killer glute workout.
Come here.
What?
Come here.
Gotta practice my moves. Gotta round my survey.
Oh, yeah.
Gotta stretch it out. Waiting for that wave to come.
Guys, what's this?
This is what's his name?
Burblo.
Burbla. This is Burbla. He's happy to be here in Cabo.
Just happy to be included.
Okay, I say let's focus on the eyes. Oh shoot, my nipples are chafing.
Those are some neat rocks.
Successful day.
That was a successful day. We're heading back to the water taxi now, and then we'll see what we're doing next.
Logan got hella sunburned.
Did he again?
Oh yeah.
Logan the lobster.
Oh shit.
Spring breakers in their natural habitat. You're trading your sunglasses?
Mine are a day old.
Ooh, twinning. A day old, fresh trade. Ready for some tacos?
Hola.
The taco place is so good. He's leaving a review right now.
Heck yeah. Best al pastor I've ever had.
So we're about to grab dinner.
That's
But
gonna be like a
Cam
culture
here.
shock compared to here, but
She's not coming. I unfortunately will not be joining dinner tonight. She's feeling a little tired.
Ew. Okay, well,
We'll leave her here to rest. We'll come back and pick up for clubbing.
yes. Eat some good spaghetti for me.
Oh, I'm eating quesadillas tonight.
Ooh, some authentic Mexican food tonight, I see. Finally. She's been eating like spaghetti every night, and I'm like,
What can I say?
We're in
Italian is my thing.
just tell them that.
Anyway. Nap
Okay.
well.
thank you, have fun.
Where are we going this time?
Same place. 3 nights in a row.
Back to our
Best spot in dinner in Cabo. I forget the name.
La Casa Country.
Casa Country.
Place right
And we're back.
Steaks?
Yeah, it's 5 p.m. Friday. Okay, what kind of cereal do you want?
I don't know, doesn't matter to me.
Mom, he doesn't care. Do you eat cereal?
Yeah, I eat cereal.
Life. Life cereal. Life. You want Honey Nut Cheerios? He says sure. Or regular Cheerios? I assume most people would want Honey Nut Cheerios. He's not on a diet, Mom. Let's just get Honey Nut. Whatever we want. Milk, you will not be picky. What kind of milk do you want? Almond milk?
Dude, honestly, I'm getting a serious one. Really?
Okay, I'm actually gonna ask him. I don't think you want this. Look, what kind of milk do you want?
Wait, what? What kind of milk? Wait, what kind of milk do you guys get?
Mom, what kind of milk do we get? I guess we get almond milk because Luke drinks vanilla almond milk. You probably don't want that, right? Would you want 2%?
That's fine, honestly. That's fine. I usually
Okay.
drink 2%, but like,
He wants 2%. He wants 2%.
well, I mean, don't like, no.
Okay, yeah, Mom, we'll get 2%. You like bagels and cream cheese?
Yes.
Yes, Mommy does. Okay. Any more questions? Right. They're all very good questions. Yeah, they're very good questions.
Yes.
Dude, go. By all means. I'll just take a little go for it. I low-key want to try a little for it. That's my flavor.
What is that?
Bike stick.
Oh.
Strategic change in your game plan. Tell us about that.
Oh, he wants it.
Start playing
He wants
on
it.
executing it.
Oh.
Yeah, look out. Yeah. It's like all they ever say, dude.
That was,
Wait, did you get one?
He did a very aggressive
No.
cheers.
He hasn't even started them. He wants to down them both right now.
My, I'm gonna find my lip places where I'm gonna put my lips and just kind of, yeah.
That's it.
Oh, whoa.
Well done.
That's scary.
What's the Cabo slogan?
Well done and
Done well.
Well done.
So we just ate at La Casa Country one more time. We're going back to the hotel and we're possibly gonna go out. I brought this in because I like it a lot. But yeah, we're gonna, guys, you missed the hotel. It's right here.
Oh, wait, oh shoot, oh, Cabo, oh Logan, Cabo Inn Hotel. We're here.
I just want to show you my outfit of the evening. It's Cam's sweatshirt and these shorts and these sandals. I don't know if you can see them. Those sandals. Yeah.
My outfit?
Girls care about just sandals.
And the special hat.
Is that your work hat?
It's my work and play hat. It's a cool hat.
Yeah.
Okay, you know what? It's done. I don't want that in the vlog.
And we're home.
Did you miss me?
Here's my girl.
Okay, we getting the girls club ready. All right, honey, close your eyes, don't blink.
It's alright, it's alright. No. Once we add the mascara, it'll be good. None of your eyes have the same colors, but it's fine. It'll add like a cool exotic look.
Hey, YouTube audience,
Yeah.
do you think I could pull off a little bit of eyeliner?
Oh my gosh,
fuck
like
yeah,
Jack
dude.
Sparrow liner?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it.
You guys are the first guys I've ever met who are actually down to wear makeup.
They're so chill. Sorry,
Alright, so here we're using Urban Decay purple. I don't know. Okay. Oh my god.
Look how
No,
it makes
you gotta
his teeth look
Sorry,
white.
sorry.
go like this,
Yeah.
but don't puck.
Wait, show me.
Oh, really?
But don't puck. Oh. Want some on your teeth too?
You look like Shane Dawson right now.
Oh shoot.
Oh my god, he actually looks like Shane Dawson right now.
Wait, you? I knew you looked like somebody.
No, he's a mix between Zac Efron and Shane Dawson.
Shoot, wait, that is your Zac Efron.
That's a pretty good compliment.
Do
Wait,
you see that though?
I don't know Shane Dawson. I don't know what he looks like.
Okay, now you're ready. Now you're club ready. Let me just get a picture of that for reference.
what if I fell asleep like this?
Wait.
Did you put highlight on him or not?
No,
That's your natural glow?
You could pull
Come on, Annika, what do you expect of me? Come on now.
Nick.
Annika, I'm Macedonian, what do you expect?
Short.
Oh, you're Macedonian. That makes so much sense.
Makes sense, right?
You want liner? Let's do it. Do you have crayon liner? I only have liquid liner. Oh, just do some black eyeshadow. Do you have some black? There's some black in here.
Do you want to do it instead?
Take a seat.
When do the clubs close?
Right over there. Don't make mistakes. Is it under the eye that you want it?
Yeah.
Okay, so like
If
Johnny
if
Depp.
that's cool, yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm so down for that.
Okay.
I'm a tan first because he's a little pale. So.
Okay, of course. Logan, you're gonna look so pretty.
Give him what he
Alright,
Okay,
now we have the
okay.
base color.
Look at this.
Now we're doing our little spa treatment. Close your eyes.
I didn't sign up for this. Oh,
Yeah, you
wow.
did.
Okay.
shoot.
Finish your eyes.
Stay there.
Chris, what'd you do to me, bro?
Can you got my phone?
Logan said, I'll put makeup on my face if you put makeup on my face. So I said, okay, I'll do it. But it's funny because he went before me.
Wait, what is that? Oh, shit. What is that?
They're gonna be the prettiest girls in the club.
Need those for the moisture, okay? You gotta keep those in.
Oh, my lids. My lids.
My avocados.
My
Alright.
lids.
So the lips are ready to go. Ooh, girl. Ready to go.
night in Cabo.
Let's see.
Oh, no. Oh,
Ooh.
how's it look?
Look at so pretty.
Oh, yeah.
Seem like
Alright, well done,
the
everyone,
right.
well done.
Is there a security deposit on Logan's face?
Who's that girl?
Who's that girl staring straight back at me? When did my reflection show who I am inside?
Look at these girls taking selfies.
Oh, shit. You're supposed to see that.
Shoot, that's actually like, I'm all in on that pic.
That's a good pick, actually.
Shoot, wait.
So what does he have that I don't, aside from lipstick?
He has eyeshadow and mascara. So eyeshadow is like the powder on top of the eyelids here, and mascara is on the lashes.
Oh, so okay,
Yeah.
so can I eat lipstick? Is that okay?
Eyeshadow,
It's just getting in my drink.
It's a lot of products.
I think it's a good look.
Yeah.
So outfits of the night. This is Cam's little crop top and skirt that are both actually mine. But
Okay, literally.
look how bomb she looks in
Annika
them.
has such cute clothing. I had my own shirt that I was gonna wear. I was like, oh, finally, I'm gonna wear something that I actually own. That's not Annika's. Nope, outfit change. Now I'm wearing Annika's top. But these are my shoes.
Yes.
But guess what? They don't even match my outfit. So I guess whatever's mine is not. And you get the idea.
So my outfit of the night is this little crop top, this skirt, these heels.
Let me get the heels. Oh, honey.
Yes.
All right. So we're finally going out at
It is literally
1:50 in the morning. This is usually the time when most people end their nights, but this is when we're starting it.
I mean, it's Cabo. Talking about here.
It's okay. The blame should be put on me and a couple other people in our group because we took a while to do a couple things. Andrea. I didn't even look both ways before I crossed the street. That's a dangerous thing.
No, I did look. I looked for you. Still,
I literally crossed without looking. That's not a good sign. I've had one too many Four Locos. So I feel like a lot of you from previous content may think that I'm an alcoholic. However, no, I have a 4.0 GPA. I'm not lying. I have a 4.0 GPA to this day. I'm not just some stupid drunk. Thank you. Stop to so like you're wearing makeup on your face. You're wearing makeup on your face? What?
He noticed my my makeup, but I was like, dude, it's 2019. You can't like.
What do you say? 2019? Is that what we're calling it now? Like, wow.
Oh my gosh! And guess what? We were in Manzala, and this guy comes up to us, creepy ass guy.
He goes to our school, which is even worse.
He does?
Yeah, he goes to Santa Barbara.
Do you know him?
Yeah.
Do you know him?
Oh my god.
No, he was wearing the headband. Someone was like, oh, do you go to Santa Barbara? He's like, yeah, I live on TP.
So he comes up to us.
He hands me his credit card. He's like, all right, I'm gonna buy you a table right now. $4,000 for the table, $4,000. I'm like, bye.
And he kept
holding my hand and pulling me away.
He kept corralling her.
So weird.
He followed us all the way to the exit. We had to get all these guys to help us out.
Yeah.
And he's normally we don't. We're self-sufficient girls. But still.
And the whole time I was pretending I was from Germany. I didn't speak English. He's like, ah, it's bullshit. I know you speak English.
I mean, to be fair, it's bullshit.
Well, yeah.
He's a guy like that.
So we were walking home, And guess what?
I think I can.
I didn't witness
Okay,
it,
so we're walking home. Van pulls up, stops.
Your face isn't even in it.
Guess who catapults out of the van and just jumps on the street? It's the guy who is.
It's the guy.
Yeah, he's just following us around. I'm like, dude, yeah. He's like, oh, love you guys. Like, I'm like, okay, like, just GTFO, bro.
I literally ran away. I was like, ew, 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 ew. No, she literally ran across the car and was like, ew, go, ew, 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 go now, ew, go. Okay, what messes do we get ourselves into?
We walked 7 miles today. I'm so happy.
Cardio.
We got ourselves into some motherfucking messes.
So we're back home now and it's like 3 or 4 in the morning. We have such a busy day tomorrow. We've got Mango Deck, a booze cruise, what else? Clubbing.
This is the best girl in the world. This is the best girl in the world.
Thanks, babe.
You're welcome.
For Nick, and Logan, it's gonna be their last day. And we're just trying to make tomorrow as fun as possible. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow.